Good morning from Rochester, Minnesota. That's the fiend that's going to melt all the ice today. Go out and get some. Good, lovely morning from Rochester, Minnesota. We're going to go out and see if we get some northern pike. We get about 10 inches of ice out here. I'm going to do one more day of ice fishing and see what I could get. Let's see. Okay, mates, this is what we call a tip up. All right, the flag goes up, you got a fish on it. There's a little spool on the bottom where you get 20-pound wire test. We got a double harness of treble hooks with steel leaders on them. We're going to put one dead garlic sucker on and one live one. And we're going to drop it down about 4 feet and see if we get some northern pike. Hang around, we'll see what happens. Okay, it's going to be a wonderful day, too wonderful. Going to hit 55 degrees. Going to be a squelcher. February 1st, it's going to, instead of having ice, we're going to have a problem even forming ice. I got my ice auger out. We got 10 inches of ice under here. We got one tip up for northern pike. And then we got another tip up set for northern pike. And now, this is the part of the job where it's fun. I get to put in my Bluetooth earbuds and just listen to rock and roll music and dance on the ice till one of these flags pop up. That's what I do. Yep, I have my grand old time out here. It's a waiting game on these flags. Okay, be back when one of these pop up. Antics on the ice, get some. 28 inches of northern pike, get some. Yes sir. You can please catch and release too. Oh boy. And when you can, please catch. I don't know if he wants to go back in. Go down that way and release. There he goes.